Hello and welcome to Little Learners. Today we are going to be making some beautiful rainbow art using a little bit of science and quite a few crayons. We'll be focusing on melting today. This is a really fun activity and looks so effective afterwards. There are lots of different learning opportunities for this. So you're going to need a canvas. A canvas is best because paper and card, it just won't really be able to hold the crayon as well. You'll also need some PVA glue and of course some crayons. I got my crayons from Poundland, 48 crayons for just £1, so they don't need to be expensive at all. My canvas board came in a pack of 3. I got that from Walmart. I'm pretty sure it was under $3 for all of them. And then you need to decide which colours you want. So I decided I wanted to make a rainbow piece of art. So I'm going right across the colour spectrum. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink, or indigo and violet. But you might decide, or your child might decide, that they just want to go with a few of their favourite colours, and that is absolutely fine. But for this I wanted to focus on the rainbow. So once you've lined them all up, push them off slightly and start to put some glue down where you're going to be sticking your crayons. I decided my glue wasn't coming out quick enough, so I just got a paintbrush and got it straight out from the pot. You're going to want to put enough glue down so that about 2/3 of your crayon is stuck down, and then line them all up on top of the glue. Just to be safe, I also sealed everything in by painting the sides and kind of the tops of the crayons together. Once that's dry, get your masking tape and start to make some patterns over your canvas board. So I just went for some very simple lines, and the idea is that when you pull these away at the end of this craft, they will be blank spaces for you to write words in, but obviously you can get a bit more creative with some sticky back, contact paper, and actually put an image in the middle if you want to. So once you're ready, get your hairdryer and make sure you are somewhere that you don't mind getting messy. I have taken some precautions and put down some bin bags just to be sure, and start melting your crayons. This is such a lovely activity for children to do because it's something that they can do all by themselves, if not with a little bit of supervision. It's important to make sure that you aim the hairdryer straight down, otherwise the colours just start flying off the sides of the canvas, which is not exactly what we want for this. All in all, I think the actual melting portion of this craft took about 6 or 7 minutes. So not very long at all, and it was really fun to watch all of the colours kind of melt down and also merge into each other. It's lovely for a colour mixing activity and also to learn about melting and to discuss colour. Once that's done, you're going to let it dry, and once it is dry, you can just snap off any little bits of crayon wax that have collected at the bottom. And then comes that fun part, taking the masking tape off. Now, as you can see with my masking tape, it wasn't exactly a really clean line with some of the pieces. This first piece is actually okay, but the other two didn't work out to be as clean lined as I wanted them to be, but I actually ended up liking this finish better. Don't worry if the masking tape rips, you can just grab it from another side, like I did here. If you do want those really clean lines, then just make sure that you really pat down that masking tape when you put it on in the first instance. I think if I had rubbed it in a little bit more, then maybe I would have had kind of a crisper line. Then you can write in whatever you want to. Maybe your child wants to write in their name, and then you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon, because the subscribe button doesn't do a lot these days and you need the subscribe button and the bell icon clicked together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.